Welcome to our second episode of Noobtube Cookz. So today we'll be making kofte or meatballs. They can be made either in an oven, they can be fried, or they can be grilled or barbecued. Today we'll be baking it.
Guys, don't forget to wash your hands for minimum 20 seconds.
And keep a social distance.
And also guys, the ingredients we're going to be using for the kofte are 1 kilo of minced meat, a bunch of parsley, 1 onion, 2 or 3 garlic cloves, and the spices we're going to be using are some cumin, pepper and paprika. And also the ingredients for the sauce are a tablespoon of pepper paste or tomato paste, a cup of water, salt and pepper.
So firstly, let's cut some onions, but if you're like me and you don't like to cry when cutting onions, there's this nice product you can find in Kmart if you live in Australia or in Turkey from a local bazaar. So first let's cut the onions into quarters. I'm just using 2 small onions right now. Once you cut the onions, throw the onions inside and then close it. And once you're locked, so it's like a lawnmower, you can pull this handle, but put some pressure on it and start pulling. After that muscle workout, now your onions are finely chopped and without crying.
Now we have 1 bowl of minced meat, and in Turkish that is called kima, and we're going to be crushing around 3 or 4 garlic cloves. We'll be crushing that with a garlic crusher.
Nope.
Guys, I'm not sure how to use this, but I think you're meant to put this in here and crush this. You need a little Oh, okay, that's a little hard. Okay.
And now we can add the chopped up onions. Be careful of this razor blade. Now we can add them into the kima or minced meat. I'm going to use my hands to take it out. Don't worry, I wash my hands. Okay, once we take out the onions from the bowl, we can put some chopped up parsley into the bowl.
So far we have minced meat, garlic, onions and parsley. And lastly we're going to put the slices. And lastly we're going to put the spices. Firstly put some salt, then some cumin, and some cumin, then some pepper, lastly some paprika. And now you're ready to mix it.
But guys, don't use a spoon like me. Use your hands that you've washed. Mix thoroughly so all the ingredients are combined. Once we've mixed kofte, it's time to shake them. So about half, if you put it into your palm, you can shape it like this. It looks like half a sausage. So let's start shaping the kofte. So if you're wondering guys why we named our series Noobtube Cookz, it's because we are definitely not professional chefs guys, we are the opposite, we are noobs, so that's why we named it. So if your hands get sticky during this process, there's some water here where you can dip your hand.
Don't share it by the way. tasteful.
In between these empty gaps, we're gonna be adding some potatoes.
It's important that all the koftes are the same size so they can cook at the same time.
So once we filled up the tray with meatballs, we can put our sliced potatoes in the empty gaps. Now we can put some sauce that we just made using 1 spoon of pepper paste, a bit of salt and a bit of pepper and a cup of water. And just like that. Now our potatoes and our meatballs are covered in our sauce that we just made. And now it's time to bake it. We preheated the oven to 200 degrees earlier. Let's put it up in there and close it and let it bake for about half an hour. So see you in half an hour. Now it's time to eat, but first I would like to tell you that you can eat the kofte in a roll, or how I like it is with rice, and you can add sauces with the kofte. Let's have a taste. So it's very juicy kofte.
Sometimes when you have the rice, if it doesn't have much salt in it, just add some salt.
Oh, really?
Anytime.
And some crispy potatoes. So comment down below what we can make next time, and if you enjoyed our video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, see ya.